Welcome back to Remote Hustle HQ. I'm your girl Saranda, coming back with you with other job leads. Today I'll be strictly going over United Health Group jobs. Right now they're hiring for a lot of remote opportunities. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Today I'm going to first show you how to find these jobs. So when you come to their career page, you just Google United Health Group and it'll bring you to this page. Okay, and so you can either just hit search and it'll bring up all your jobs, or the jobs that I share with you today, you can put in the title here in the search bar here, and it'll bring up that specific job. Now, with United Health Group, they have an area where you can, once you come and hit search, they have an area right here that you could just say, I'm only looking for remote jobs. So you just click that, and once you click that, it'll bring up all the remote jobs. And they have so many different areas, from entry-level positions that are now opening for as far as administration, collection, clerical type jobs, or RN if you're actual nurse or licensed practitioner. They have jobs for you all. So if you ever wanted to work in a medical type field or be on the customer service end, right now they have a lot of jobs that are work from home, and you want to pick the ones that usually say national remote, because that would mean that you can work from anywhere. And sometimes you do have to click on the job, even if it doesn't say that. It'll list all the different states. Now, United Health Group is mainly going to be just U.S., but you never know. Check the location for those that are always looking for international, because maybe you don't live in the United States. Just check the location, and that'll bring up whether it's in United States or not. And let's go ahead and dive right into the first job that I want to share with you all, because I don't want you guys to miss out on these great opportunities. Okay, so this position is more for the entry-level beginners and those that don't mind enrolling people in benefits and helping people to answer questions and inquiries on benefits and getting people enrolled in healthcare coverage. That is what this role is going to be about. This is hiring for a senior credential representative enrollment. So you're going to be more on the higher end. And even though it say right here remote, consider it always confirm that you can remote anywhere in the description below as we go into it. Right here it says you enjoy the flexibility of telecommuting anywhere in the U.S. So go ahead and make sure that you're reading the description, reading all of the things that pertains to the job that I'll be pulling up today. Also, another resource is asking the hiring manager. Go ahead and apply, and the hiring manager will always let you know more of the details as far as remote and how much it pay and what your pay will be. Because all on this description, it just kind of gives you an estimate overview of what you'll be doing. So once you get hired, you go ahead and get the more information as far as that. And like I said, with United Health Group, you're going to most likely be within the United States. And it says here the Virgin Islands. So sometimes you just want to look around to make sure that the job is available in your area. Now, for this enrollment representative national remote, it says that your hours will be 8 to 5. They're looking for somebody full-time. For those that are looking for full-time roles to work from home, this will be a great opportunity to do that. They offer 2 weeks of paid training, on the job training. Now, in this job, you're basically helping people to get established and enrolled with Medicare and Medicaid. And so that is your main job that you're going to be doing. You're going to be providing this, it says, via online and email to providers and health plans. And so you're going to be reviewing those health plans to the providers, which is like your doctor's offices and things on that order, maybe the pharmacy, to make sure people are covered. And also you're going to be offering this information to customers as well. It also says you'll be doing some data entry in this job. You're going to have to learn the policies and procedures with that, which they are going to teach you all of that in your 2-week training. And so that is basically what you're going to do. And it says you're going to be processing state license and prescriptive things for these providers, as far as, you know, the Medicare end, as far as the third party end. So you're going to be offering verification of certain licenses and prescriptive authority and things on that order for that. And so you're going to be handling a lot of enrolling and qualification. I'm sure you're going to be looking over some application and information when it comes to the customer needs here. As it says, you're going to be also helping the customers, and you're going to overlook the overall customer service, internal and external contacts, and all their needs. So in this role, all you're going to need is a high school diploma or something equivalent like a GED. And it goes on and saying that if you have the 3 years of experience with enrollment processing, that is going to be a plus. And they're also looking for you to have this experience. And that all has to deal with enrollment and benefits and learning laws for healthcare coverage and things on that order. And that's what those things are, and different tools that you'll be using to see the qualifications for these customers and things of that nature. Okay, and we went over the hours. It's 8 to 5, look like Central Time. And so you guys, if you're interested, go ahead and check out this job. The pay starts at minimum $19, and then it goes up to $38. So go ahead and get that $38.08 per hour. Now they are saying here that that is the pay range for if you live in these states. Everybody else, you just have to apply and see what they offer. But this is kind of giving you an idea of how much the job is going to pay overall. And so if you're interested in this role, don't delay. Go ahead and check out this Senior Enrollment Representative National Remote. And this is the number that you can look it up quicker. If you put that in the search area here, then that will bring up the job quicker for you guys. This next role is going to be for those that have a background or a license in pharmacy care. And in this role is more like your entry level, because they are giving you time to do this job, but they do want you to be enrolled in the education of becoming a licensed education pharmacy care technician, or you already have your license. So for those that are in this background as far as pharmacy, ever worked in a clinic or ever help with anything regarding medication, maybe I encourage you to apply even if you don't have your license, because as we go into the details, it's basically telling you this is kind of an entry level beginner type thing. Now, in this position, you'll be more on the phones. The other position wasn't really on the phones at all. As I pointed out, you're doing email and via online things. This one will be more of your phones jobs, where you are verifying medication information for the clients. You'll be doing those inbound and outbound calls. You'll be doing the reminder calls for prescription refill calls. And so this is a very entry level, easy job. You're following up, doing follow-up calls. As far as prescription, you'll be verifying what they are. You'll be verifying prescription and seeing what they are all qualified for and what the insurance will cover. And so if you're interested in this role, you definitely want to get on it. In this role, they're not asking for you to be licensed yet. It's like I said, they either want you to be licensed in your state, or you're in the process of being on the certification, your national certification to get licensed. And so if you ever worked in the pharmacy setting, or you have administrative or at least one or two of these experience, then it'll get you in the door. And that's why I'm saying this is the minimum qualification. All they want you to have is a high school diploma. You don't have to have an advanced degree. They want you to have some medical terminology knowledge. So if you want to start out in pharmacy and get this experience under your belt, because this is something that you want to do, all they're asking for you is to be enrolled in the program, or maybe have a license in your state. And all you have to have is a high school diploma, and you're basically just answering pharmacy questions. You're going to be doing some customer service and things that I have already went over, prescription claims and things on that order. So you guys don't miss out on this. The pay is going to start at $16. That's why I said this is an entry level role. They are willing to train you and go ahead and take you in, as long as they are knowing that you are working on your license. And the max pay for this position is $32.55. So you definitely don't want to sleep on this opportunity. This is a great opportunity to get your foot in the door. This next position is for those that are mainly just going to be more in your customer service role, and you're going to do mainly chatting. You will be doing some calls in this role, but you're mainly just chatting online. And so if you're interested in this type of role, you'll be answering and chatting for the customers of members for United Health Group. You'll be responsible for answering those questions about benefits and eligibility and billing and payments and things on that order. And it says by phone or chat. So, chat is not on the phone. So you'll be doing both phone and chat in this position. I think this is a great opportunity to have more flexibility where you're not only just on the phone, but have the opportunity just to chat. This is a full-time position. These are the hours. It will be based on Central Time. So you can work anywhere in between these hours, or these are the actual hours that you'll be working this job. It says they'll give you a 12-week paid training to do this position, and the hours for training is 8 to 4:30 on Central Time. And this is going to be all training conducted virtually at home. And it says if you're located in other time zones, such as Eastern or Mountain Time Zone, they will provide work from home opportunity for you as well. Now, all of these jobs have national remote, or they say remote considered, but they always verify that it would be work from home in the description, like I said. So you definitely want to read around. And also, I encourage you to apply. And the hiring manager, when you talk to them, they will verify whether it is completely at home. Most of these jobs always have work from home, and then you have to verify with the hiring manager. But this is going to be work from home, remote. As you see, it's a remote position. And so if you're interested in this job, that is what you're going to be doing. Like I said, billing questions and things on that order, explanation of benefits. And all you have to have is a high school diploma. They definitely want you to type, because you're going to be chatting in this role more often. So they want you to know how to type, have great customer service. And in this role, the pay for this pay is starting at $16 up to $32 per hour. So go ahead and get that $32 per hour for this role. And this is called provider customer service call and chat representative. Now, this last role that I'm going to explain with you all is more of your tech savvy background. So those that are in the tech background or IT background, or ever did ticketing and dealing with more of the tech side, then this role will be more for you. So go ahead and take note of this title. This is the job number here, and it's based out of San Antonio. But as you go down in the description, it says that you can work from anywhere. So you guys, you definitely want to read and make sure that it's confirmed in the description, like I said, where you can work from anywhere. And also sometimes you can apply, and they also give you more information about the job once you get your interview calls and talk with the hiring manager. So in this specific role as the associate business system analyst, you're going to be dealing with more of the tech side. Like I said, you do the technical specification as far as when the customers may be having problems on their accounts. And also you're going to be dealing with as far as the data privacy regulation as far as things online. So this is your more tech savvy part. You're making sure things are running smoothly online as far as that. And also, you guys, in this role, all you need is a high school diploma. So even though that you're doing more of the tech savvy type background, All they're asking for this role is a high school diploma. So this is good if you wanted to do IT support and you don't really have the background or the degree. Then you can get your foot in the door by doing this job, because they're requiring is a high school diploma. And it says, so if you have experience doing IT support, that's ticketing, if you ever help somebody maybe online to solve their technical issues, then I encourage you to apply. Now, their preferred qualifications is for you to have a degree or higher, but they're not requiring you. That's under their preferred qualifications. So if you know you ever done IT support and you have your high school diploma, guess what? I want you guys to apply to the job if you're interested in this associate business system analyst. And why? Because this job pays very good. And they're not requiring you to have a degree in this role. So if you want to do the ticketing and overlooking accounts and just making sure things is running smoothly, guess what? They're going to train you for the basic stuff that you're going to need. And the pay for this is minimum $58,300, which is some great money, all the way up to $114,300 per year. So I'm gonna need y'all to get on these United Health jobs, because they're giving out opportunities where you're not having to have the degree. This is a great entry-level type experience where you can get in the door if you have the bare minimum experience where you have done that. So just think of the jobs where you have had where you did maybe operational support, helping people get in their password maybe on their account. You did product testing by testing the internet to see what's going on, and they have trained you and you worked in ticketing and things on that order. Then I would encourage you to apply for this role. And so, you guys, that is the last role that I wanted to go over with you all. Go ahead and check out United Health Group if you did not see anything that interests you. Like I said, they have a plethora of different type of jobs if you're in the medical type field. And some of these jobs are not really just strictly medical. They're just administrative, HR jobs. They have a lot of different categories that you definitely want to check out and just look around. So don't miss out on these opportunities. Go ahead and come on these jobs that I share with you all. Apply and get these jobs. Please hit the like button and let me know what type of jobs you're looking for so I can research for you. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Have a great and awesome day.